What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Well, baby, if your name is Jeezy, people are saying it's over for you. Jeannie Mai has hit you with a surprise filing. And guess what? Jeezy is in court, begging and pleading, wishing and hoping and praying and wishing that the judge seals the case. But Jeannie Mai was like, no, baby, you wanted to talk. You wanted all this. You wanted all that, baby. We're going to lay this out for everybody to see. And people are saying that the reason he wants this case sealed is because Jeannie she's hinting that the reason why that prenup might not be valid is because Jeezy lied about his assets. But get this, if he lied about his assets to Jeannie, what about those other 11 kids he got? He wants his income documents sealed because Jeannie's lawyers have picked out the truth, but the other baby's moms don't know. So if they're doing everything income based, if everybody really knew what Jeezy got, Jeezy gonna be paying a whole lot more, y'all. Let's see what Atlanta's resident ashy ankle golf star has to say about this. I know you've seen Jeezy with those ashy ankles and knees out on the course. I just want to know one thing. I don't know much about Atlanta golf clubs, but is there a rule that no lotion is allowed on the green? Do they make you, is there chalk when you get into the golf cart that you got to clap, clap, clap on your knees and ankles? I'm just saying, do they not have Jergen cherry almond lotion? That's all I'm saying. Let's get into this mess because, baby, you cannot make this mess up. And I got to say this. Who did Jeezy actually think he was playing with? Baby, Jeannie from the Bay, when they do things when they dance a little different. Hey, dance a little different. The thing that you thought that you was going to take a girl from San Jose and run some game on her, baby, you should have talked to any man from the Bay. I know for whatever reason, Jeannie had you thinking, I was raised to serve my man, and maybe she was for a minute, but baby, that as soon as you tried to play her, that Bay Area mess kicked in, and Jeannie said, oh, we gonna see what's up. Y'all, let's get into this because Jeezy is doing everything he can to protect his assets from his children. Ain't that some mess? I don't understand. When you pass away, isn't everything going to them? So why aren't you actually paying them exactly what they need? Let's get into this. They said Jeannie Mai is fighting ex-Jeezy's plea to seal sensitive records in contentious divorce fights. And Jeannie actually came out and she said, I'm questioning your motives. His motives is, at least in my opinion. Now listen, don't believe me. This is just my opinion. Go and read up on it yourself and then come back in the comment section and tell me what you think. Because baby, I'm telling you what I want. They said Jeannie Mai asked the judge to deny her estranged husband Jeezy's request to seal filing in on their ongoing divorce and questioned his motives for the ask. I think I know his motives. Like I've been saying, you gave Jeannie documents, allegedly, that didn't show the vast swath of your income. And because Jeannie was so in love with you, she let that mess slide. Maybe she didn't even look. But now that you declared war, she brushed herself off, right? Hey, and that's that Bay-ish, right? She dusted herself off, and now she's going to war with you. And now you don't want everybody to know what you really have. Anyway, according to court documents obtained by Radar, the talk show host opposed Jeezy's motion to seal the record. She said, baby, you leaked everything about our divorce. You tried to publicly humiliate me. And I still personally think Jeezy was behind that whole rumor that Jeannie had cheated because everybody was acting like a man with 11 kids, a bunch of ex-fiancés, all this F-boy behavior in his past. Somehow, if he left a woman like Tamar's Dizzy Self said, if a man leave you, you know you did something bad. That's right, Tamar. Right? That's right, everybody that said that, because a real man cheats on you. And when you cry and say you're going to leave, he gaslights you into staying just so he can humiliate and disrespect you again. That's love, right? Man, say what you want about Jeezy, and I'll say a lot. Most men, when they get, anyway, as we first reported, this is Radar Online, last month, Jeezy rushed to court, pleading with the court to seal sensitive and personal and financial information. Again, you got to read between the lines. Sensitive, personal, financial. Jeezy don't care nothing about what his money, but his money. That's how he's been able to stack up so much. And again, like I said, I saw his performance in Tidy Little Deaths. He is talented. He got some bangers. He know how to build a fortune. But is he the one I would build a family with? Is he the one that I would have at absolutely not. Anyway, right? In addition, he wanted all filings related to their child to be private. I guess Jeezy don't want us to know how many times he's seeing Monaco. And as much as he talking about real ninjas and real this, are you being a dad to this one? Because according to your exes, your record a little spotty. Jeezy claimed the split had turned contentious. He was the one that was running the court with everything, trying to embarrass her. Now that she got a leg up, it's contentious. Okay, ma'am. He said the divorce had been covered extensively by the media because you leaked information. You can't tell me Jeezy didn't leak that information. But if you got proof he didn't, let me know who did, because the Atlanta Star-Journal had the divorce filing before the courts could even put it in the public system. And on top of that, right? And on top of that, Jeannie found out about the divorce when we all did. The rapper believed that sealing the case would be in the best interest of her 2-year-old daughter, Monaco. Now you care about Monaco? Oh, he don't want his money to be messed up. How many of his baby's moms is he giving false documents to? Both parties are public figures. Since the filing of this action, they and most importantly, their child, have become the subject of intense media scrutiny and publications in connection with their divorce action that are directly contrary to the best interest of the child. This is the man that did an interview with Nia Long about the next chapters of his life, talking about real ends don't cheat, trying to mac the Nia. Really? Cheating? Oh, I find that fascinating that a man would cheat. Remember when he hit her with that old nasty, nasty Mac? What? Cheating? What is that? Anyway, ask Keisha Cole what it is, Jeezy. You know. In addition, this litigation tragically is becoming increasingly more contentious. And as a result, it is inevitable that sensitive personal financial information and information related to the child will necessarily be discussed and disclosed as parties explore the issues incident to their divorce. I see his lawyer or Jeezy went to the same grammar academy as T.I. expeditiously. That was a whole bunch of mess. How you start a war, and now that you don't have the upper hand, you want everything to go silent. Jeannie, meanwhile, said, baby, you not going 0 dark 30 on me. Roger, copy that. She's in her new motion. Jeannie said that she had refrained from detailing specifics in her divorce filings, aiming for an amicable resolution, which remains her goal. She said since the commencement of these proceedings, there has indeed been increased media attention, which was a foreseeable consequence given the party's celebrity status. She said the timing of Jeezy's motion to seal 6 months into the proceedings raises questions regarding his motivations for trying to limit the public's access to the case. Nonetheless, Jeannie contends that sealing the court records at this time is unnecessary and unwarranted. He don't want people to see those income documents. He don't want people to see what the prenup said. And he doesn't want people to see that Jeannie claims she has 100% proof that Jeezy in some way violated, I believe it was clause 9 of the prenup, about cheating or emotionally cheating and how much she gets paid. Jeannie's lawyer wasn't done. They said there is a presumption that the public has a right to access the court to ensure that proceedings are conducted fairly and impartially, and that the judicial process is open and accountable. That's the best legal FU I ever heard in my life. Jeannie asked the motion to still be denied. Y'all, listen. Jeezy was the one that said the marriage was irreparably broken. Jeezy accused Jeannie of acting as gatekeeper when it came to custody time of Monaco. That's what the filing said. But then when you went and read the filing, he actually said, so that was what the headline said. Then when you read the filing, it said that Jeannie has not at all acted as gatekeeper and has 100% let Monaco be seen. So everybody's like, then why did you even file that? Again, he's been doing stunt queen antics. And now that Jeannie actually has a way to make him pay, The two are fighting over the prenup they signed before walking down the aisle. Jeannie argued she didn't have enough time to review it. Jeezy demanded the agreement be enforced in the divorce. Jeannie said, I'm not sure he gave me all the accurate financial records. And now Jeezy wants this mess sealed. Baby, shout out to the Bay. She from the Bay when they dance a little different. Hey, dance a little different. That's that Bay shit. Hey, that's that. Listen, Jeannie is showing him that the Bay don't play. And baby, we love to see it. We love to see it. Let me just say something. Jeannie is 100% proof. Just because somebody is in love with you, man or woman, don't take that kindness for weakness, because baby, it's a thin line between love and hate. And I ain't saying that Jeannie hates Jeezy. I'm saying that Jeezy's bank account is about to feel that truth. Baby, you should have been a little bit more careful with her feelings, because she is about to tear up your bank account. And don't come in my comments talking about, you think that's fair? Yes. You think she should just walk away? Hell no. Baby, make his pockets hurt. Shout out to little Kayla. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.